Congratulations on your purchase of a Blueridge PTAC kit. This video will provide a quick start guide to assembling the sleeve, grill, and condensation kit. The sleeve box contains the bottom, top two sides, and a bag containing the manual and hardware. The hardware includes 8 small self-tapping sheet metal screws, 4 long screws with flanges, 6 small hex head machine screws with washers, 4 threaded clips, and 6 plastic grill noise dampeners. Identify the bottom section, which has a narrow foam strip on the outside and 2 folded metal ribs on either side. Set the foam strip away from you so that you are working from the inside. Right and left are defined from the inside throughout this video. The side sections have folded flanges on either side and slots running the length of the top and bottom. The right side section has a white sticker that says, "Use on single outlet circuit only." Place the right and left side sections so that the slot goes over the flange of the bottom section. Secure with 4 small self-tapping sheet metal screws. The lower edge of the side sections should be to the extreme outside for proper water shedding. Place the upper section so that the flange at the sides and back go outside the side sections. Make sure you don't place the flange in the side section slot like you did at the bottom. The top section flange must be at the outside for proper water shedding. Secure with the remaining 4 self-tapping sheet metal screws. Place the 4 threaded clips over the topmost and bottommost of the 6 holes in the inside flange of each side panel. The threaded portion should go to the inside of the sleeve. When the time comes, you'll secure the PTAC to the sleeve by using the 4 long screws with flanges into these threaded clips. Place the plastic grill noise dampeners in the oval holes in the outer flanges. These dampeners prevent noise from vibration between the sleeve and grill. Condensation will drain from the 2 ports at the bottom of the outside of the sleeve. If you wish to control where the condensation goes, use the condensation drain kit. If you're using the kit, it must be installed prior to the grill. Open the condensation drain kit and verify you have the following items: 1 90-degree copper elbow, 1 straight copper tube, 4 sheet metal screws, 3 foam gaskets, 4 pre-drilled metal tabs. Select one of the condensation drain ports to block off, and the other will be the drain location. Assemble one of the blocking gaskets and the blocking plate with 2 screws. Affix securely into the provided screw holes. Assemble the copper elbow, the gasket with the pass-through hole in the center, and the plate with the drain hole. Affix securely with 2 screws. The extra pieces in the condensate drain kit can be used if special conditions apply to your installation. The grill box should contain the aluminum grill, 6 plastic insert blocks, and 6 small hex head machine screws with attached washers. Handle the grill with care. The stamped vents can have sharp edges. Insert the 6 plastic insert blocks into the rectangular holes from the outside so that the screw holes are to the inside of the grill. Insert 4 of the hex head machine screws into the plastic blocks and tighten a few turns. If access to the outside is easy, stand outside and insert the hex head machine screws and washers through the keyed holes and drop down to lock in place. If access to the outside of the sleeve is difficult, such as on a second floor, pass the grill through from the inside of the sleeve and work the screw head bolts into the keyed holes. Tighten all 6 screws from inside the sleeve to secure the grill. Refer to the PTAC manual for installation of the PTAC and guidelines for securing your sleeve to the wall framing. Thanks for watching, and thank you for buying Blueridge.